Changing the filter on time provides you with the freshest, cleanest water from your Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. When the filter icon turns red on your refrigerator's display, it's time to change the water filter. The express water filter is located right between the crisper drawers. Remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. Pull the filter straight out, keeping it horizontal to minimize any leaking water. Sometimes, if the water pressure is strong, this will make it more difficult to remove the water filter. In this case, shut off the water supply valve first. Dispense all remaining water from the dispenser, and then try to remove the filter. To replace the water filter, insert the new filter and then turn it clockwise until it locks. The arrow symbol should be lined up with the lock symbol. To reset the water filter, from the home screen, swipe your finger from right to left. Select Fridge Manager. When Fridge Manager is first activated, a prompt appears. Tap Agree and start to use. From here, tap Fridge Settings, and then choose Water Filter. Touch and hold the Reset button for 3 seconds to reset the water filter. Then tap Reset the filter. The filter indicator will turn back to green. If you turned off the water supply, turn it back on at this time. Dispense and discard at least 3 gallons of water to remove any trapped air and impurities. Repeat this operation every time you replace the water filter.